say hello. Hello. Seven Art Center. Seven Art Center. Can you say Seven Art Center?
Seven Art Center.
Seven Art Center.
Seven Art Center.
Such a beautiful group. Such a beautiful group. Well, we are from Seven Art Center. I am Makeba, which means queen or wife in Swahili. This is Mr. Jordan, our professional drummer. Everybody said hello to Mr. Jordan.
Hello, Mr. Jordan.
Yes, yes, yes. So today we are here to go through a little history of the drum, to go through a little history of us. Who are we? Okay? And have some fun. Y'all ready to make some music?
Yes.
You can make some music?
Yes.
I like the attitude. I like the attitude. Okay.
No, that's my door right there. Right there.
That was so funny.
Okay. Excelente. Okay, everyone. So we are going to begin. Is that all right? So we're going to begin with a short tale about a little drummer boy named Adante. It's a really short story. So stick with me with this, okay? You have to listen. Everybody with me? Okay, so this story is about Adante, who was born in Africa, and he was a drummer boy. So let us begin. Afua, the father of Africa, the father of Adante, called on Mother Elements to bless the child Adante. He lifted his hands, calling, "Come, elders, behold my beloved son." My son, the drummer. Adante, which means man or boy who receives a gift. What gift do you think